to the moon and back. Once upon a time, there was a little boy who was so stubborn. His mother would always be worried about his stubbornness, but she would always try to make him understand that all of his wishes cannot come true. But he would never realize this. One day, he wished to go to the moon. "You can't go there, my son. Only astronauts go there through spaceships. The universe is so huge that you can't even imagine." But he kept on screaming, "You are lying! There is another world which is prettier than our Earth. I would surely go there." He slept, and in the midnight he found a fairy waking him up. "Get up, little boy. We are going to the moon." Excitedly, he got up, held her hand, and in no time he found himself flying above, and more above to the skies. He was flying until he found trees, houses, and mountains very tiny. Scared inside, suddenly his feet touched the cold surface of moon. After landing on moon, Fairy looked at him and smiled mischievously. She shook her hand a bit, and boy suddenly found himself caged in a big glass box. "There you are, little man. You are on the moon as you wished, and now you can see the entire space from this box for as long as you want. Soon I will make you a star so that you can live in universe forever. And yes, you came here on your wish, but you will go back home when I want." Little boy, who was shocked, started crying out loud, but Fairy vanished away. "Why are you crying, man?" A pale yellow star blinking near him spoke. "Weren't you constantly insisting and nudging your mama that you wanted to visit moon? I was just like you." Tears started flowing down from Star's eyes. "I was always cranky and never listened what my mama said until this fairy, who is actually an old witch, brought me here and made me a star. It has been 70 years since I last saw my mama. She must be in heaven now, but I miss her so much." Star moaned loudly, and frightened boy also cried on top of his lungs. "I miss you, Mama. Where are you? I would always listen to you now. I promise. Oh God, forgive me, please, please." Screaming and shouting, he opened his eyes just to find his mother waking him up. He rubbed his eyes and hugged her tightly. "What did you see and dream?" "I was lost, Mama, but now I'm back to you forever." Mama hugged him tightly, and with her soft hands, she wiped his tears. So kids, the moral of the story is that we should always listen to our parents and must not abide with what they say. They love and care for us like no one else can do, and they always know what is better for us.